I'm James North.
Mr. North, tell us why you came here today.
I came to vote, to cast my ballot in the primary here in Virginia.
Why is it important for you to vote?
It's important because it affects the next election coming up. It lets the candidates, the list of candidates, there were 5 or 6 on the ballot, be winnowed down to one candidate, or the best candidate, I hope.
Now, what is a choice of your best candidate in this election?
I think somebody who can do good things here in this country, who can do the will of the people and not bring insanity and chaos.
Now, looking at this electoral process, how democratic is it?
It's very democratic. There is freedom. There are people, I think, from both parties sitting at the tables, checking your ID, making sure you do everything proper. How long did it take you to go through that process? Under a minute. I have been here many times, and I noticed today for the first time, my spouse, who is recently deceased, was a wheelchair user, and the door that has wheelchair access has never worked, but today it worked. So it means it's more accessible for somebody who's a wheelchair user than it has been for many years.
So, but is it easy for people with disabilities to vote?
They make it pretty easy here. They've always come and helped us. I've been pushing the chair, or somebody would hold the door, or people would, on the presidential elections, when there's a huge line, they always come and get you out of the line and bring you to the front just so you can get through, because they know it's hard for people with disabilities.
You've been voting for many years.
Many years.
Why?
Many years. I think it's part of being a good citizen. It's how we show our love for the country.